everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign into YouTube. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You can easily log into your YouTube account with a YouTube mobile application or simply sign into your YouTube account on a web browser using computer. If you're doing this on a web browser, simply open up a web browser first. And as soon as you open up your web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.youtube.com and press enter on your keyboard. Go and click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner from the main homepage of YouTube. To sign into your YouTube account, you need a Google account. If you don't have a Google account yet, click on create account link and follow through the registration process. If you already have a Google account, you can go ahead and enter your email or your phone number associated with your Google account in the text box. Enter any one of them and click the next button. On the next page, enter your password associated with your Google account. If you don't remember the password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After filling in your Google account's credential, you can click the next button and you'll be able to see that you have successfully logged into your YouTube account. All you need to do is enter your Google account's credentials and you'll be able to access your YouTube right away. That is how you can easily log into YouTube. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.